Okay, here I am at the entrance Mesa Verde National Park in southwest Colorado. Picnic area and just a stunning view. That's the road in. Okay, we just left the pay station. And it costs $20. There's no camping. They're not open yet for camping. It costs $20 to get in, or I bought a season pass for $80. So once you get 4 times, you get it paid for. Okay, here's the top, fire lookout. Got the next one is the geologic overlook. It is unbelievably warmer down here. It's like a whole nother place. I'm on the Spruce Tree Canyon Trail. About a quarter mile into it. Such a cool place. That was the end of the Spruce Canyon Trail. Beautiful. Just got back to the truck. There was quite a bit left of that hike to get back to the car. Now I'm probably gonna get a little snack and find a place to sleep tonight. Not sure where that's gonna be. There's not a whole lot around here. It's already 6 o'clock, so I might have to do some driving. Not too sure yet. I need to get on here and look at the map. But we'll see where we go. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer. Spruce Treehouse was closed, so I couldn't go do that, but I did the canyon hike, so got to see everything else, Mesa top and all that. But everything's just kind of closed up still for winter, and I think they said they were doing some kind of construction too, so overall Mesa Verde is a big time yes on the bucket list. If you haven't been here, definitely worth the trip. It's I don't know, you gotta come here yourself. It's pretty amazing. So that's pretty much the recap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, here I am at Walmart again, in the back of the truck. Just gonna call it a night here, I guess. Had quite a bit of fun today. Did a lot of hiking. I'm pretty beat, so I'm probably gonna pass out pretty quick. So we'll call that a day. Night.